In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in ConvertKit. Let's start from your ConvertKit dashboard. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. There, you'll see a tab labeled Send. Go ahead and click on Send, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Email Templates. This is where you manage the layouts and designs that your emails use. On the Email Templates page, you have two choices. If you'd like to build something completely fresh, you can click on New Email Template to start from scratch. But if you already have a design you like, it's usually easier to edit an existing template. For this walkthrough, we'll edit an existing one. Find the template you want to modify and click on it to open the template editor. Inside the editor, scroll down until you see the footer area of your email. In most ConvertKit templates, you'll notice that there is already an unsubscribe link in this footer. It usually appears as a simple unsubscribe hyperlink. Along with that, you'll also see a physical mailing address. Both the unsubscribe link and the physical address are added automatically by ConvertKit to every broadcast and sequence email. These pieces are not just nice to have, they are legally required for email marketing compliance, including laws like CAN spam and regulations such as GDPR. Keeping them in your emails helps protect your business, maintains trust with your subscribers, and reduces the risk of your messages being flagged as spam. Now, let's say you want to place an unsubscribe option somewhere else in your template, or you prefer to customize the wording around it. You can manually insert an unsubscribe link wherever it makes the most sense for your design. To do that, click into the section of the template where you want the link to appear. Place your cursor there, and then type the text exactly like this. 2 opening curly brackets, the word unsubscribe, and 2 closing curly brackets. So on screen, it will look like this. Open curly brace, space is optional, the word unsubscribe, and then close curly brace, close curly brace. When you send your email, ConvertKit will automatically replace that placeholder with a unique personal unsubscribe link for each subscriber. You won't see the full link inside the editor, but your subscribers will see a working unsubscribe option in their inbox. Once you're happy with the placement and wording, save your template. From now on, any email that uses this template will include that unsubscribe link exactly where you added it, keeping your emails compliant and user-friendly.